rather be a good actor than a big star. For example, I'm talking about Amitabh Bachchan will be doing films forever.
This is virtual. How have the past few months been for you, the lockdown and the pandemic?
It has been good. I'm not kidding. जितने लोग बेचारे तकलीफ में होंगे ना मुझे गालियां देंगे, but the fact is it has been nice for me. I usually am like that. I am a person who likes to stay at home. So I like to go to work, come back, hang with my kids, have fun. So enjoy staying at home. I like my house. So I've been fine. And we live in a home. Like Delhi, you have those little homes, no? So yeah. I live like that. So I didn't have the problem of elevator में नहीं जाना है, balcony में क्या, a flat के अंदर जो problem होते हैं ना, I didn't have that problem. So yes, pandemic has been pretty nice to me.
But together at home, 9 months, what is the one discovery you've made about Maria that you earlier didn't know of the years that you've been together?
She's very difficult. No, I take a lot of time off. Yeah, I take a lot of time off. I do like 2-3 films or whatever, and then I take a few months off. That has been my routine for a long time. So whenever kids have holidays, I take time off. I try not to shoot at that time. So yes, I spend a lot of time with them all the time. Maria has been busy with her cooking and showing videos and all that, and we have been enjoying that food. But it's fine. It is like this all the time. So no new discovery. Know her for too long, know everything about her.
Well, that's really heartening to know, because we've heard stories of couples tearing their hair apart, that the 9 months they've all been together in one place.
Yeah, I think we are okay. I am not the fighting kind, so I'm fine. मैं चुपचाप सब बातें सुन लेता हूँ. So Maria and me are very different people. Maria is extremely hyper and I'm extremely calm.
Okay.
So it's good. अगर दोनों hyper होते तो झगड़े होते थे.
That I can understand. And now you've got Durga Mati coming.
Yes.
A corrupt politician. जब आपका पहला look आया था, भागमती वाले थोड़े से वो हो गए थे, अरे ये देखो हमारी ओरिजिनल पिक्चर का स्पूफ हो रहा है. What would you want to tell people who are like very guarded की रीमेक नहीं बनना चाहिए?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है बनना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए किसी को. I think कहीं पे I always feel कि South में ना they make very nice cinema. They take risks with scripts. They try new things. Their scripts are innovative. We Hindi film people don't do that much. We stick to our formula or play safe all the time. So when you have a nice film that is made in a different language, जो that region has enjoyed, I feel why deprive the rest of the country? उनको भी देखने दो यार अच्छी फिल्म है. So I feel it's absolutely fine. You must make remakes. Like when I seen Dayavan, I saw I think Tamil version. Yeah. Nayakan. I enjoyed it. I couldn't understand 90% of what's happening, but I still wanted to see it. Then it was made in Hindi, which was good. I was happy about it. But yes, it's fine. Yeah, it's absolutely fine. People should not crib so much.
So what was it like working in this movie? You have the ladies chasing you.
It was nice. It was very nice. I was happy I got to do something else apart from comedy for a change. So that was exciting for me. Besides, I liked the film. I liked the script. For me to do it, honestly, purely is because I really liked the script. I thought it was a very unpredictable, exciting, thrilling kind of a script. And I had a role to do which was very unusual of what I usually get offered. So for me, it was all wonderful. It was a nice place. I was a kid in a candy store, enjoying myself.
But are you a fan of the horror genre? Because suddenly I'm seeing a lot of horror films coming up here in Hollywood.
I'll be honest. No, I'm not a big fan of horror genre because I keep saying, I said, if given a choice between, say, a comedy film and a horror film, we'll all end up going and seeing a comedy film. Very few will opt out for a horror film. So yes, I'm not a big fan, but saying that, I'm a fan of cinema. So if something is made and it's good, I saw Pari, I liked it. I saw Exorcist, I liked it. It frightened me, but I enjoyed it. So it's like that. If it's good cinema, well-made film, well-made series, I like watching it. No matter what space they come in, what genre they come in, I'm fine with it.
And what about the OTT release? Because a lot of actors are relieved without that box office pressure, because pehle din hi aapki film ka result aa jata hai. Not that anybody waits to see its performance. First day, it said go, no go.
Yeah, I know. See, there are two things. Box office का pressure शायद एक तो actor को तो होता ही है, producer को भी होता है, सबको होता है. Okay? बाकी सब तो फिर भी थोड़े रिलैक्स होते हैं. मुझे लगता है एक्टर रिलैक्स नहीं होता, क्योंकि वो फिल्म, वो चाहे सिनेमा में आए या ओटीटी में आए, अच्छी है तो अच्छी है, बुरी है तो बुरी है. सो इफ इट्स नॉट अ गुड फिल्म, पीपल आर गोइंग टू लुक एट एंड से यार बकवास फिल्म थी यार, बेकार एक्टिंग की, यू नो. सो यू आर स्टिल देयर. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू ओटीटी because of them. New cinema, the new releases people were able to see it, but a film can only be enjoyed in a theater. You enjoy a film in a theater with the big screen and the sound system and the dark room. That's where you should actually see a film. So that is the drawback. Other than that, wo pressure I feel hai. Box office ho ya na ho, you're worried about people enjoying a film or not. So when I did Asur also, I was worried if people will like this series or not. You know, so that fear is not going to go. I think all actors will go through that. वो शायद box office का थोड़ा सा relax हो जाता है, but end of the day, box office हो या ना हो, the film that you do needs to do well.
So no, I understand. That's for anyone who is a creator, a content creator. They would be nervous. But do you also feel with the OTT platform somewhere it's upended the star system, because suddenly you're seeing new talent being celebrated? Do you think it's going to change?
I am very happy with what OTT has done for actors and for directors, for film, everybody who's into this profession. I am really happy. Like, I am suddenly, you put on and you see such fine, great talents, great actors. They've all blossomed, and suddenly we see these people who we never saw, because as I said, unfortunately, cinema में एक stereotype हो जाता है. आप ये करो, आप वो करो और आप वो करो. सबको अपना अपना एक slice मिल गया, and you have to live with that. OTT has suddenly allowed everybody to do everything. So yes, very happy about that. Which is the second part of your question? You asked me something.
What change do we see going forward?
Change, I don't see the moment all this pandemic problem will be over, life will go back to normal, and cinema will never go. It's not going to go. We felt that when TV came out. We felt that when all the channels were coming out and the videos were happening and DVDs were happening. We felt cinema is going to suffer. It never will. It cannot suffer, because cinema is not just about watching a film. It's that experience that you go through. You know, when you travel and you go and sit there, you buy a popcorn, you're with your family and your friends, you sit in that theater, the lights go off, the sound system is there. It's an experience, and that will never go. So yes, OTT will grow more and more and more, but it's not going to affect the cinema. The cinema, box office, all that will be there, always. It's not going to go.
But for actors, as you said, it's managed to unbox you all, because
yes,
Munna Bhai, you were the favorite circus, the go-to funny buddy. But then you did an Asur. Now you're doing this. You've been able to also showcase your own versatility.
I'm very grateful for that. That's what I was saying. I said, thank God, because of OTT, so many new talents have come out. We've seen people who are capable of doing so much more today, which we would have not seen if this wasn't there. I'm really happy. I was so excited when Asur was offered to me. I was happy, of course, that somebody came to me with non-funny role. And I was happy that the script was so good. And now that is happening, fortunately, because of that. Instead of me doing a Jolly or a Seher or all these kind of films, I was still stuck in that zone of comedy. The OTT, they really don't care. They just know that, okay, this guy's a good actor. He can do anything. So if you're doing something like this, let's catch him, which is great. So I'm happy with this, and the other offers that I'm getting. It's awesome. Lovely, lovely scripts, great roles. So life's looking good.
Awesome. And what तेरे मेरे सपने is now what 25 years तो हो गए ना?
होने वाले हैं मेरे ख्याल से, because I'm not really sure. मुझे actually कुछ journalists ने ही बताया कि I think 96 में मैंने किया था. So तकरीबन होने हैं. It's going to be about 25 years. 25 years in the industry. Wow.
Yeah, exactly. And your song Aankh Mare was also reject. You saw that. But the thing is, do you think it was tougher then, or is it tougher now for an actor? Had you made your debut now, would it have been easier, or was it easier then?
Mine was I don't know, but how can mine was a problem. My knowledge of the industry was zero. So I would say if I had the knowledge of the industry then, maybe things would be different, or maybe not. But the fact is, we have nothing to complain here. Yeah. I cannot complain. I've got a fab life, and I'm respected as an actor, and people accept me in all kinds of roles. What else does an actor need? I'm glad. I was speaking to some of my friends from the industry, and I should tell them that I'd rather be a good actor than a big star. For example, I'm talking about Amitabh Bachchan will be doing films forever. You get it. Rishi Kapoor can, bless his soul, but he can do a film for the rest of his life. Naseeruddin Shah can do a film for the rest of his life. Paresh is, or you name all these actors who are really good actors, they will work all their life. But then there are some who are only there for a particular reason, and their lifespan is really short. Till they're young, until they can handle it. So the question is, do you know the job? So it really doesn't matter when you're launched. The question is, do you know what to do? Are you a good actor? If you are good at your job, you have nothing to worry. You're going to keep working for the rest of your life. And that's in any field.
Which is true. And like in any field, now there's uncertainty. Even the film industry is a very uncertain place.
Absolutely.
How do you manage to survive it? The competition, the uncertainty. Every Friday you're made or broken.
That's really scary. But the fact is, I never compete, and I don't let these things harass me or bother me. Success or failure, I do not give it importance at all. At all. I just feel every time you get a project, I just want to do the best I can in that. If it works, it doesn't work, that's my luck. But I will not let these things bother me, ever. That's destructive, very destructive. And when every little thing starts bothering you, not a good place to be.
I so agree with you. मगर आपके fans पूछे मुन्ना भाई 3 कब आएगी?
मुझे नहीं लगता आने वाली है. मुझे नहीं लगता आने वाली है. मैं मतलब इससे ज्यादा अजीब बात हो नहीं सकती, जहां पे प्रोड्यूसर बनाना चाहता है, डायरेक्टर बनाना चाहता है, स्क्रिप्ट भी काफी हद तक तैयार है, एक्टर्स काम करना चाहते हैं, लोग देखना चाहते हैं, फिर भी बन नहीं रही है.
We need to
इससे ज्यादा अद्भुत बात नहीं हो सकती.
We need to unjinx it. And now you have Bachchan Pandey coming up.
Yeah.
Have you started shooting?
No, I'm going to start in Jan.
Okay.
Jan I'll start shooting. And this will be the first with Akshay and me, and I'm so happy and so looking forward to it. I'm a big admirer of his. He's so funny, and he's so good at what he does. A lot of people I know have always hoped that someday they'll get to see Akshay and me together in a film.
Yeah, Jolly ने भी कर दिया, मगर आप दोनों ने
हाँ, but कभी हो नहीं रहा था. जॉली में भी कोशिश यही थी कि 3 में दोनों साथ में करेंगे. So वो सब बातें चलती रहती थी, लेकिन nothing was coming up. And finally it's happening. Finally Akshay and me are going to do a film together. And it's, the script is bizarre and mad. And I feel people are going to like seeing both of us together. Awesome. I have a very strong feeling. I think it's going to be a treat.
Looking forward to that. And
it's going to be fun.
2021 के लिए आपके क्या hope है? What is that one New Year wish you want for 2021?
I would just wish that 2020 never happens again. It's so ironically, 2020 is supposed to be a symbol of perfection. When you say he's got 2020 vision, सबसे बकवास साल यही गया है. आयरनी, कोई बातों में लाइफ में यकीन नहीं करना चाहिए, सब कुछ बकवास है।
Astrologers went out of business.
I swear, everybody out of business. I couldn't understand. So I think 2021 is going to be a good year for everybody. I have a very strong feeling, because somewhere down the line, one always makes up for all the losses. And when they always say, after darkness there is light, and after sadness there is happiness, and blah 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 blah. Wohi hone wala. After a terrible year, we will all have a fabulous year next year. I'm going to be starting with Bachchan Pandey, and I'll finish that absolutely bizarre, inane, mad comedy, stupid behavior, all that. Wo khatam karke I'll go into Asur season 2. So which is going to be serious and very dramatic and all that. And after that, there is some scripts and some projects that have been offered to me, which are in the process of being finalized. And it's going to be very exciting for you to hear about them. And I wish I could tell you about it, but jab tak hoga nahi, I can't say. So, but they are very exciting stuff. So I'm looking forward to 21.
Jate, how about you and Maria doing a cookery show together, or you can't cook to save your life?
Oh, I am a better cook than her. Let me just tell you that. You have no idea. I cook very well, and I'm proud to say that. Before Maria, I used to cook.
Oh, okay.
Maria got into cooking later. So today also when at home, when we have dinners and all that, it's my friends who call me, said, aaj tu bana yaar khana hai. So I cook for them. I make things like halim and ran biryani and all that.
Wow.
Yeah. Like,
and she makes a great khana.
Huh?
And she makes a great
She makes all these European baked and very fancy food. I make hardcore Indian food. Which I call मौत का खाना.
I know, उसके बाद तो
वो खा के आप जरूर महीने भर पहले मर जाओगे.
सही में, और जन्नत भी नसीब होगी.
जन्नत भी नसीब होगी, खुश मरोगे.
सही में. Lovely chat.
Pleasure. Always.
Bye. Take care. Bye.